Taking the Advanced Digital Marketing Certification courses from GoLogica will expose you to the skills and knowledge you require to survive in the ever-changing digital world. This training provides important subjects like SEO, CM, social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing, analytics, etc. Designed by experts in the industry, curriculum would cover a mixture of theoretical knowledge and practical applications with real-world projects and case studies. This course differs in terms of audience, whether studying enhancement or an entire beginner in digital marketing. Once you experience this, you will be able to use the latest tools and strategies in a practical way to optimize your campaigns and let your brands get more visibility and conversions. Digital Marketing course enables the end users to gain proficiency in positioning themselves in an effective manner within the online marketing environment. It imparts knowledge on how to use SEO, PPC, email marketing, social media, and analytics as tools to reach out to the target audience. End users would find this knowledge quite helpful in creating interesting content and generating traffic to their sites, as well as conversions. The knowledge application of digital marketing enables an increase in visibility for the brand and monitoring of campaigns while achieving specified goals efficiently for the business to reach. It suits personal projects, enabling entrepreneurial needs, and the professional world. Digital Marketing course empowers the user to prevail in the digital world with measurable and impactful strategies. Prerequisites. Digital marketing courses are one of the least demanding in terms of minimum prerequisites, making them accessible to many people. Basic knowledge of computers, using the internet, and perhaps a par with a certain interest in marketing may suffice. However, while one does not have to be able to boast a degree in business, marketing, or communication, it does help. Eligibility. This usually requires a high school diploma or the equivalent. It welcomes students, professionals, entrepreneurs, and anyone interested in improving their digital skills. Desirable characteristics include good analytical skills, creativity, and a willingness to learn. The course has been primarily developed for beginners interested in digital marketing, but is also suitable for advanced professionals. Digital marketing roles are in high demand in the current job market as businesses increasingly shift to online platforms. Key roles include SEO specialist, optimizing websites to rank higher in search engine results. Social media manager, managing brand presence and engagement on platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Content marketer, creating valuable content to attract and retain audiences. PPC specialist, managing paid advertising campaigns on platforms like Google Ads. Email marketing specialist, designing and executing email campaigns. Digital marketing manager, overseeing strategies across multiple channels. These roles are critical for driving brand visibility, generating leads, and increasing ROI. Digital marketing salaries in the present job market. Digital marketing executive, $2,000 to $4,000 per annum. Entry-level position for beginners in the field. SEO specialist, $3,000 to $6,000 per annum, focuses on search engine optimization strategies. Social media manager, $4,000 to $8,000 per annum, manages social media campaigns and brand presence. Content marketing manager, $6,000 to $10,000 per annum, responsible for content strategy and execution. Digital marketing manager, $8,000 to $15,000 per annum, oversees entire digital marketing operations. PPC specialist, $5,000 to $12,000 per annum, manages paid advertising campaigns. E-commerce manager, $7,000 to $14,000 per annum, focuses on online sales and customer acquisition. Head of digital marketing, $15,000 plus per annum, senior leadership role directing overall strategy. Salaries vary based on experience, location, and company size. The GoLogica Digital Marketing course offers a comprehensive curriculum covering SEO, SEM, content marketing, social media, email marketing, and analytics. The course is designed for beginners to experts, with hands-on training and real-world case studies. Key benefits include learning how to build and execute effective digital campaigns, increasing brand visibility, and understanding consumer behavior. Participants gain access to industry-relevant tools and techniques, ensuring they stay updated with the latest trends. The course also provides certifications that enhance job prospects, helping learners pursue careers in digital marketing, boost business growth, or promote personal ventures with measurable results.